Good morning, student. I'm Dr. Vinod Ugle, working as Assistant Professor at Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, R.C. Patel Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Shirpur. Today we are going to discuss one of the most important organic name reaction known as Diels-Alder reaction. The reaction was reported jointly by the scientists Diel and Alder in 1928. Learning outcome. After watching this video, you will be able to acquire knowledge about synthesis of varieties of organic compound containing six-membered ring with unsaturation. You will be able to explain the mechanism involved in the formation of cycloadduct in a Diels-Alder reaction. You will be able to understand and explain applications of varieties of cycloadduct formed through Diels-Alder reaction. For your understanding, I have divided the reaction in four different parts: principle, general reaction, mechanism, and pharmaceutical applications of Diels-Alder reaction. Diels-Alder reaction is a type of electrocyclic cycloaddition reaction. In this reaction, conjugated diene consisting of 4 pi electron system reacts with dienophile, that is organic compound containing 2 pi electron system such as alkene or alkyne, results into the synthesis of unsaturated 6-membered cyclic product. As the product formed in the reaction are cyclic with unsaturation, they are also known as cycloadducts. This reaction proceeds through high regioselectivity, means although there are possibility of different mechanism, it proceeds through a single mechanism. Distereoselectivity and enantioselectivity means only one enantiomer is preferred over the another. General reaction. For the sake of your understanding, we have considered the example of preparation of cyclohexene from buta-1,3-diene and ethene. In this structure, we can easily observe there is a presence of 2 pi bond, that is, first is present at first carbon atom and second is at third carbon atom, and the longest possible chain consists of 4 carbon atom. Hence the name of compound is buta-1,3-diene. Reacts with ethene, that is 2 pi electron system, to generate cyclohexene, that is cyclic adduct containing 1 pi bond. Reflections for. The question arises in a mind that how buta-1,3-diene will be converted into cyclohexene by reacting with ethene. Now you have to make a pause, take your notebook, think and write that which are the different possible mechanisms responsible for conversion of buta-1,3-diene into cyclohexene. Mechanism. This is the possible answer of mechanism for Diels-Alder reaction. As it is a classical example of pericyclic or concerted reaction, means in this reaction all the bond formation and bond breaking occurs at the same time, such as here this is your diene where 2 pi bonds are separated by using single covalent bond. It is 4 pi electron containing system. This is dienophile 2 pi electron containing system. In a Diels-Alder reaction, there is a simultaneous breaking of 3 pi bonds and formation of 1 new pi bond and 2 new sigma bond to generate a cyclohexene. Application. This reaction as proceeds through distereoselectivity and enantioselectivity is useful to determine the configuration of dienophile. To consider this application, we have taken an example of conversion of malic and fumaric acid into their respective products. For example, when buta-1,3-diene reacts with malic acid, that is cis dicarboxylic acid, where both the carboxylic acid group present on same side of the double bond results into the formation of only cis product. Similarly, when buta-1,3-diene reacts with fumaric acid, carboxylic acid with trans nature means both the carboxylic acids are present on opposite side of the double bond results into the formation of trans product, so that from the product formed in a Diels-Alder reaction you can easily predict the configuration of dienophile. These are the few references for further understanding of a Diels-Alder reaction. Thank you for watching this video. Happy learning. I think you are now able to explain Diels-Alder reaction with its mechanism and application.